Imagine losing all your photos and videos. If the precious photos and videos on your phones and computers are not backed up, they could be lost at any time. Let's back them up now. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I want to share why backing up your photos and video is a must, not a nice to have. I will then walk you through simple steps you can back up your photos and videos for free with Google Photos right now. For many of us, photos and videos are the most precious digital files on our phones and computers. Someone once told me if you only have one copy of a digital file, consider it already lost. Very true. Stuff happens. Hard drive fails, phones, computer break, they get lost or stolen. It's not a matter of if, but when. So if your files are not backed up right now, meaning you only have one original copy of it, you need to do it now. If they are, good for you, but I'm sure you know someone, a brother, sister, parent, or friend who has not backed up yet. Share this video with them or help them set it up. They will surely thank you one day. Google Photos lets you store, share, manage, and edit photos and videos in the cloud. It works on Android and iOS devices, Mac and PC computers. It has an automatic backup feature, which is the feature we'll walk through today. For unlimited free storage, the photo resolution is limited to 16 megapixels, and the videos are compressed to 1080p. Google compression algorithm is quite good. These resolutions are more than enough for social media sharing and normal size prints when needed. There are also pay options which we won't go into today. Any backup is better than nothing for now. Let's start with a phone or a tablet. There is an app for either the Android or iOS device. I will show the steps on my iPhone as an example. Other devices will work similarly. First, search in the App Store for Google Photos and install it. I'll also put a link in the description below. Once installed, open the app and sign into your Google account. Under Settings, Backup and Sync, turn on Backup and Sync. Pick high quality as your upload size for free unlimited storage. And that's it. The backup will now start in the background when you connect it to Wi-Fi. In the case you want to also backup using your cellular data, you can turn it on for either photos or videos or both. I usually just leave them both off. If this is your first time backing up and you have a lot of photos and videos, it'll take a while. So watch out for your battery level or just plug the phone in. Next, let's set it up on the Mac. PC setup will be similar. First, download the application. Note on the computer, the app is called Backup and Sync from Google, not Google Photos. In any case, once you've downloaded the application, double-click to open up the downloaded file and drag Backup and Sync into the application folder. From the application folder, start Backup and Sync from Google's. Sign into your Google account. Select Backup Photos and Videos. You can now select what folders you want to upload and backup. Usually it's the picture folder or where you have your photos and videos. Once again, pick high quality as your upload size for unlimited storage. And that's it. You can now see files being uploaded and backed up. Great! Your photos and videos are now being backed up in the cloud. More than just a backup, Google Photos have many cool features using AI to organize, search your photos and videos, share and edit photos. You can also display them as a slideshow on a voice assistant display, such as a Google Hub. I'll link a video here and below on how to set that up if you're interested. It's a good way to show off your pictures. It's also a great gift for grandparents. Know that if you're already using iCloud, the original pictures may only be stored in iCloud, not on your phones or computers, so they won't be backed up to Google Photos. To have them backed up, you need to have all your photos on the phone and the computers first. You can do so in iPhone by going to Settings and your name at the top of the screen to get into iCloud, Photos, Download and Keep Originals. And on the Mac, you need to open up the Photos app, choose Photos, Preference, Download Original to this Mac. Google and Apple are not the best of friends, so integration between Google Photos and Apple devices leave much to be desired, but the backup function works very well and is free. One last thing to note. You may be tempted to delete all your photos and video from your phone and computers to free up storage since they're now backed up in Google Photos. Don't do it yet. If you do, you're back to having only 1 copies of your photos and videos. Worse yet, since we chose the unlimited optimized storage, the 1 copy you have left in Google Photos is lower in quality than the originals you're about to delete. In any case, I still recommend moving your photos to at least 1 other backup drive before you remove them from your phones and computers to free up space. If you liked a quick tutorial on how to do that, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. You can sleep better tonight knowing your precious pictures and photos are backed up. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. If you have questions about Google Photos, feel free to send me an email or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.